Hello everyone, today I will be doing two things. Brookhaven, new update, and don't press the button, part those. Okay, this is Fire Staying. Also guys, I need your opinion. Do you like this new voice?
Sure.
I keep it, write it in the comments. So I know for the pro Robloxian Explorer. And guys, look, there is also fire so you can do something and take fires out. Okay, let's play Don't Press the Button now. Guys, oh no, we need to find Logs who broke the bridge. You made me mad. No, sorry, EM, not mad. I like this game. But yeah, this is also... Guys, there's a few more logs. Okay, let's go to the bridge. We'll be fixed. Let's go, guys. Wait. Where I am going. Okay, is this one? It's time. I like the music, though. I think it's from the game called Mario. That is called, I think, from Mario Kart. Jump, 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 I can do this. Always believe in you. Self duck, duck, duck. Jump, jump. Ahian. Jump, 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 jump.
Get machines.
Okay, bro, let's go get him. The things he wanted, he said he wants to bake a cake, so that's cool, yay. Let's go. Ow, E, fail.
You will say what I'm making now. Okay, whoa. Hope you enjoy it. Have a nice day. Okay.
Wow, it looks very cool and tasty. Let's go. Thank you very much, you are also very kind. See you soon, and have a nice day. Bake it. Bake it. Oh my god, it's the maze. Let's see if we can do it. I think we can. Let's go. Wow. Oh my god, I found IT's green. Surprise. Let's go, guys. Bro. Oh, he not saying the word, so I will say it. Mister. These it one if we jump. We fly for a long time. Bro. Bye, ever, John. Like and subscribe.